Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the new Jake Paul Instagram filter. It's called the Jake Paul Problem Child filters. That basically puts the illusion of Jake Paul in whatever space that you're in. It's actually a really cool filter. So I'll show you guys really quickly how to get it. It is on Instagram, but once you get it on Instagram, you're able to make videos with it and save it to any platform, which is nice. Anyhow, so just go over to your Instagram and open that up. Once you're in your Instagram here, you just want to get out and go back to your main screen. Just like this. All you want to do is go to your search bar and then go to the top and just search for Jake Paul's profile. So search for Jake Paul, click on his profile. And now under the follow button, you guys will see there's 4 different icons there. One for IGTV, one for filters, and then the next one right there. You just want to click on the one that has the little smiley face on it. That's the filters one. And you guys will see the Jake Paul Problem Child filter right here. So you just want to go ahead and click on it. And then you're able to save it to your camera roll just by clicking on the little download button. Or you could try it out right here as well. Very easy to do. Once you have it saved there, you'll be able to make your own videos with it. It'll be in your little story icon option, which is just up here at the top left of your screen. Click on that, and then you will find your Jake Paul filter here, just scrolling around to find it. So right here is the Jake Paul filter, and then you just tap to place it just like this. Very simple and easy to do. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get this filter on Instagram. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.